Hello and happy Thanksgiving if you live in the United States, or happy Thursday if you live everywhere else. In this video, I'm going to show you 7 or 8 different ways to make money with Thanksgiving. I'm going to give you some opportunities. I'm going to show you how to do everything step by step. So make sure you watch this entire video if you want to learn how to make some money for Thanksgiving. For the best tips and tricks to learn affiliate marketing and internet entrepreneurship, be sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell so you're notified when I upload a brand new video. Also, click the first link in the description or go to alstongodbolt.com/start for my #1 recommended way to start a full-time income online. Hello, my name is Alston Godbolt with alstongodbolt.com. I'm an affiliate marketer and internet entrepreneur who has helped thousands of people across multiple platforms make passive income, and today I want to help you. All right, so as you know, if you have anything to do with the United States, Thanksgiving is a pretty big holiday. It actually kicks off the holiday cycle, and so this section of the year gets kind of intense. So what I'm going to show you is different ways that you can make money with Thanksgiving, and you can actually apply these methods and theories to Christmas and New Year's and Hanukkah and Kwanzaa if you wanted to, but I'm going to show you Thanksgiving because today is Thanksgiving. So we take a look at my screen here. The first place we have is with Etsy. So what I've done is I've jumped over to Etsy, and believe it or not, Etsy is basically a giant search engine. People are coming to Etsy for different ideas. They're typing in stuff, and then as you can see on the screen here, Etsy's making some recommendations based on what other people have searched. So what I've done is I've just typed in Thanksgiving SVG, and you can see that there are all sorts of different SVGs based on Thanksgiving. So what we could do here is we could just do like Thanksgiving SVG for kids, hit enter, and take a look at all of the different things that pop up. Now you can use this as an opportunity to potentially make money. And you just simply create these SVGs and you can sell them. The cool thing with Etsy is you just leave these up here. You create an SVG, which is a digital product. You create it once, leave it on Etsy, and people are going to be buying potentially every single day. And this really is passive income. You set it and forget it. Now, if you don't know how to create SVGs, what you'd want to do is hop over to Fiverr. And I just typed in Etsy SVG, and there's 133 services available. Some of these guys, for as low as $5, will create SVGs for you. And you basically just give them the idea, hey, I want Thanksgiving SVGs. They're going to put up something, return something to you, and then you can put it right over on Etsy. But these SVGs are pretty cool. I know that I've made money with Etsy with digital products, so this can work for you. And again, you can do this for all of the different holidays. Look at this. You can do this for fall and Christmas and Hanukkah and Kwanzaa and all of that good stuff. Actually, I want to show you one other cool thing about Etsy. As I mentioned, Etsy is a giant search engine. So I'm just going to jump over to Ahrefs. It's a keyword tool that I use in order to help me find keywords. So I'm just going to click sign in, and this is going to just take a minute, but I'm going to show you how you can take advantage of just about anything that's going on over on Etsy. So we're just going to type in etsy.com like this. And again, this is a keyword research tool that I use to help me find keywords. We're going to go over to organic keywords, and then we're going to include the word SVG just like this. And then you can see all of the different SVGs that Etsy ranks for or that people are searching for. Once again, you could create a sunflower SVG or a bunch of different sunflower SVGs, put it over onto Etsy, and potentially make money. So this is one cool way to make money is with SVG. Another cool way that you could make money is with the term Black Friday. Now, Black Friday basically started in the beginning of November, but this is an opportunity to make money in a few different ways. If we take a look at my screen here, what you could do, as you can see here, Hulu Black Friday, Menards, AirPods, Cabela's, what you could do is you could comb through all of the different handouts and ads and magazines, all the stuff that came out, and you could compile a list of the 10 best Black Friday buys on Cabela, and you could create a YouTube video from it. And the cool thing is when you create a YouTube video, it's going to give you an opportunity to rank on both Google and YouTube. So I'm just going to jump over to YouTube real quick and show you that people are doing this. So you simply do a little bit of upfront effort, and you find the 10 best deals on Cabela's for Black Friday. And then you put your affiliate links in the description, and people have the potential to buy and you make money. But if we look at this, Cabela's and Bass Pro Shops Black Friday Sale 2021, this was uploaded 9 days ago, 1.6 thousand views. Now, if you take a look at this channel alone, the channel is called Black Friday Deals. They only create content about Black Friday. If we look at this one, Black Friday ad, Bass Pro Shops and Cabela's, what I'd recommend that this channel do, I'm just going to open this up. What I'd recommend that they do is become an affiliate for Cabela's. You recommend the 10 or 15 best products, show images of them, why it's a good deal, regular price discount, and you have the opportunity to make money. But you can see people are doing this, and there is tons of opportunity. You could do maybe 2 videos per day for the entire month of November and potentially make a good amount of money because all of these are low competition. Dyson, DeWalt, these are all things that people are actually searching for and buying. If we look at this, there's 29,000 keywords, 2.6 million searches for these different keywords. So I'm just going to jump back over here, make sure that I am muted like this. And if we look at this, they are only dedicated to Black Friday deals. They tell you when Black Friday is. The only thing that they're missing out on is earning commissions. This is, if I could reach out and talk to these guys, I would say, hey, look, you should become an affiliate for all of these different locations. And they've actually just uploaded 9 hours ago, 15 hours ago. And you need to become an affiliate, put the products in the description, and make money. But if we look at this, and you can make money in a couple different ways. You make money as an affiliate for these different brands. You make money with the YouTube Partner Program, assuming you have 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. You can make money. You could make really good money in just about 30 days worth of work. If we take a look at their channel here, let's see, they have done a lot of work in just this past 2 weeks. They started creating this content about 4 months, 7 months ago. And then that's it. They can kind of walk away until the Black Friday deals come out again, and you could make money. Another thing that they could do is, let's say that there's a great deal over on Farm and Fleet I saw, but there might be the same or better deal over on Lowe's. Farm and Fleet doesn't have an affiliate program, but Lowe's does. They could recommend getting it from Lowe's instead because it might be a better deal. It might come with more features. But as you can see here, this is another opportunity. Another way that you can make money is simply with football. As you know, and I'm just going to bring up ESPN here. As you know, or if you, maybe you don't know, if you live in the United States, there are 3 football games on tonight. The first one starts in about 2 hours at 11:30. My Chicago Bears are going to hopefully lose against the Detroit Lions. You can make money with this as well. You're going to make money in a few different ways. You simply, once again, create content. And I'm just going to type in Chicago Bears versus... and if you followed football at all, you know that there's been a lot of turmoil this week with this team. You can simply make money by creating content talking about the turmoil. Now, as I've recommended in a few different videos, the best way to come up with content ideas for these videos is to listen to sports talk radio, because they've spent a bunch of time putting together topics to get through 4 hours worth of content. And so you can summarize and synthesize. As you can see here, a lot of people are creating content about the Detroit Lions versus Chicago Bears. That's the first game that comes on in a couple hours. And you could potentially make money with this too. You can make money with the YouTube Partner Program, or if you have a blog, a website, you can make money by placing ads on the website. You can also make money with being an affiliate. You can join the NFL Shop Affiliate Program, Fanatics Affiliate Program, and then put the links to the different jerseys or apparel in the description of your videos. If we take a look, we're going to go to NFL Shop, and this month, I believe it's the Salute to Service. And so they've come up with alternate uniforms and jerseys and apparel. That's going to give you a good opportunity to make even more money. So we get rid of that. If we take a look, ugly sweaters are going to be coming up, cold weather favorites if you're going to the game, sideline gear, all things that you could promote and potentially make even more money. So we're just going to click on the Chicago Bears, just like that. And again, you're going to make money with affiliate marketing, YouTube Partner Program, assuming you have 1,000 watch hours and 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. As you can see here, people are buying this stuff up, and you could potentially make money just by creating content. After football, we actually have insurance. Now, the reason why I think insurance is a pretty funny one is because one of the things that grown men and women like to do, and they probably shouldn't be doing it, is simply playing football. They play football before the Thanksgiving feast, and there are no doubts that there are going to be tons of injuries. And so what you can do is you could be an affiliate for something like Liberty Mutual or other insurance affiliate programs and recommend them if you have a sports related injury. So I thought that was kind of funny. As you can see, there's different opportunities here as well. If you wanted to profit off of someone's pain, becoming an affiliate for different insurance companies could work for you as well. But I think this could be a cool idea. This also works because unfortunately we know that the holidays is probably one of the unfortunate times where there's a lot of accidents and a lot of problems that happen. And so you can, again, potentially profit off of someone's pain. Another way that we can make money on a lighter note is actually with Google Trends. Now, Google Trends is one of my favorite websites on the internet because you can figure out what's trending now, yesterday, and even in the future. I've showed you a few different ways to make money with trending topics, but what we're going to do is we're going to take a look at trending searches, and we can also do the same thing with Twitter. Over here, I'm on Twitter. I've clicked on what's trending, and you can see DraftKings. So people are spending money with betting. This is actually promoted, so that might not be actually trending, but you can make money there. Macy's Day Parade, another opportunity to potentially make money with that. You can jump on whatever's trending and potentially make money by creating content and being an affiliate or selling your own digital or physical products. As you can see here, we just scroll through. There is tons of stuff that you could potentially make money on, and it's all trending. As you can see down here, Shy versus Detroit. There are over 1,000 tweets. You jump in and be a part of the conversation. Don't just spam your affiliate links, but become part of the conversation. As you can see here, when we look at what's trending, we can see there is tons of stuff that is trending. One thing that I actually skipped over is actually with recipes. So we'll just jump. Let me talk about recipes real quick. What we're going to do is we are going to copy this and we're going to paste in recipes, and you're going to see there is tons of content about recipes. What you're simply going to do, you could just add in Thanksgiving if you wanted to. What you're going to do is you're going to create content about the best Thanksgiving recipes, and then you could either be an affiliate for a recipe book if you're selling your own recipe book. So we're just going to paste in recipe, and then I'm just going to put in Thanksgiving. Whoops, Thanksgiving. There we go. As you can see over on YouTube, recipe Thanksgiving dinner, desserts. You create content here, then you could be an affiliate for a recipe book and potentially make money. These are all great ways that you can make money. Look at this. They are getting thousands, if not millions of views, and you can make money again with the YouTube Partner Program, having ads, or even selling your physical digital product, and of course with affiliate marketing. These are all cool ways that you can profit off of Thanksgiving. So we talked about what's trending a little bit. I want to jump back over here. As you can see, there are tons of ways to potentially make money. And the final way that you can make money with Thanksgiving in 2021 is with NFTs. Now, I don't know a ton about NFTs, but I have seen people talking about Thanksgiving NFTs, and so I thought that could be a cool opportunity. So we're just going to type in Thanksgiving NFT, and we're going to hit enter, and you can see Macy's auctioning Thanksgiving Day Parade NFTs, including a creepy elf. I don't know what that means, but I saw a lot of people talking about NFTs during Thanksgiving, so that could be an opportunity for you to make money if you have no idea, if you're pretty familiar with NFTs and how to make money that way. So I thought that was a cool thing. So if we look here, we can just kind of scroll through and we can see crypto Thanksgiving, NFT drops and Black Friday deals, and Macy's launches Ethereum NFT collection. These are all different opportunities to make money. So let's quickly run down them. We have Etsy, we have Black Friday, we have recipes, football, of course, insurance for those injuries, what's trending, and NFTs. Now that you know 7 different ways to make money with Thanksgiving, click the first link in the description for my #1 recommended way to start a full-time income online. When you click that first link, you'll be taken to a free training where you'll learn how to get started step by step. Click the first link in the description or go to alstongodbolt.com/start. Watch these videos next for more tips and tricks to make money online. Also, check out my website, alstongodbolt.com, for even more tips, tricks, and tactics to make money online. If you like this video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and share this video with 5 of your friends.